Hi viewers, welcome to Sara Pakistan. Our today's video is about A-level mathematics. We hope that this video will help you to understand difficult concepts. However, if you feel any difficulty, please let us know through comments and we'll try to help you accordingly. Before we start our today's video, you are requested to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We hope you will like and share it with your friends. Viewers, let's start learning mathematics now. Hi friends, welcome to Sara Pakistan and you are watching this video about completing the square. Guys, if you have an expression like x plus d whole square, you can write it as x square plus 2dx plus d square. Guys, this is a complete square, but if you take any part of this section, this is a complete square, and if you take any part of this section, like if you take x square only or d square only, or you take this section x square plus 2dx, it will be incomplete. So you can complete this square by adding something or subtracting something. So on rearranging, we will get here you can notice some things like you have 2d and we have used d here. It means we have used half of it. If you have something here, you will use half of that on the right side, and then you will subtract the square of that on the right side. For example, if you have 4 here, you will write 2 here and then square of 2 here. If you have 10 here, you will write 5 and then square of 5 here. Let's see the negative case. If you have an expression x minus d whole square, then on opening you will get x square minus 2dx plus d square, and on rearranging you will get x square minus 2dx will be equal to x minus d whole square minus d square. And similarly, again you can notice that here you have 2d and here on right side we use d only, means half of that number. If you will have here like 10, you will use here 5 and then square of 5. If you will have here 4, you will write 2 here and the square of 2 here. Let's consider an example to understand this. We are going to solve question number 1 part D. Express the following in the form x plus a whole square plus b, and our question is x square plus 15x we have learned two formulas. I write it here. One is x square plus 2dx equals to x plus d whole square minus d square, and x square minus 2dx is equal to x minus d whole square minus d square. Now you have to choose the best suitable formula according to signs. Here you have a plus sign and you will choose this one formula. If you will have here negative, then you will choose the other one. So we'll apply this. X plus, we are given this and you have to write this one. Here the value of 2d is 15. If you have 2d, you write d. It means half of that number, and we will write 15 over 2 whole square, half of this number, half of this 15. Then minus sign and square of half of this number, that is 15 over 2 whole square. Now, on simplification, you will get x plus 15 over 2 whole square minus 225 over 4. And this is the required form. If you compare this with this form, you will find that it is almost same. Students, let's consider another example and we will solve part H. X square minus 3x plus 4. On looking at the question, you will come to know that you will use the formula with negative signs. I write it here, x square minus 2dx is equal to x minus d whole square minus d square. We will use this formula, the second one that we have studied a few minutes ago. Now, for this section, you can use this formula. How it will work is x minus 3 over 2 whole square minus 3 over 2 whole square plus 4. This 4 will remain as it is, and we have applied the formula on only this section. Now on simplification, you will get x minus 3 over 2 whole square minus 9 over 4 plus 4. On further simplification, you will get x minus 3 over 2 whole square, and by taking LCM, 4, you are left with minus 9 plus 16, and x minus 3 over 2 whole square is plus 7 over 4, and this is what we have changed the form. This was our video about completing the square. I hope you have got this concept. Thanks for watching.